Right, I have a self-oscillating Bedini, and I just tried something a little very thick electricity wire. I just wound it around the coil, which before was acting very well with some thick wire all the way around. They were wound up together, and now I just wound one around it, but only half of the coil, because I've read something about Walter Russell saying that a magnet is only half the fields and then it's in a mirror, so I want to see what's happening when I pick up only half of it. Now if I connect it, it's taking about 280 milliamps. My battery is charging here, not very fast. But my neon is also on, but only not very bright. So it's divided now. So I'm not picking up everything. Of course, it's very short piece of wire, only 1 meter, and it's very thick. So it surprises me that it's charging at all. So disconnect it because the neon is on and that's never good. Although the transistor stays cool. Okay, now I'm going to try this all the way around with the same piece of wire. Okay, now I put the wire all the way around. Same 1 meter wire all around the coil. This one is now 12.2. Okay, still pulling 280 milliamps. This one is charging. Seems a little better, but my neon is still on, so that doesn't seem to do anything. This is the signal over the coil, and if I pull out the core, you see this. Now the core is out. You see a better H one. It's a very high frequency, very high. This is a nice signal, although you can hear it a little. But this is the best. Although you would say here it's shooting out, but it's not better. It's even charging less. This is with the core out. I'm putting the core in. The charging is much better. And with the current, it's all the way around. Now it's very high current, almost double. 600 amps, 600 milliamps. If I put the core back in, it's going down. I don't know why it's going so far up and down. I don't know what's happening here. Well, anyway, it's charging reasonably, but I'm still losing energy here. So it's not the way how you wind it, it's just the thickness and the amount of meters you put around it, seems like. Now I didn't really twisted it around along with the other wire, so I'm going to do some other experiments. Right, this is my 1 meter of insulation wire, very thick. I'm going to take the same length of thin wire. It's half a millimeter, I think, gauge, well, maybe 21 or something, 20, I don't know. Anyway, it's a lot thinner. So see what happens with the same length, just winding it around it. Okay, so now it's also 320 milliamps, and well, don't see much on the scope here. That's interesting. It's almost nothing. Oh, that's interesting. I see. Not connected. Very well. Okay, so it's same. Same. Okay. Everything is the same. It's pulling 330 milliamps, and this one is going up. And then the ion is still on. Transistor staying cool. I pull out this one. Power is not going over 600 milliamps, only 500 milliamps, so that's the difference. Pulling it back. It's not charging as well anymore, pulling it back, and you see it's going up just like that. And the current's going down as well. Okay, so that's interesting to know. So the wire length is most important, not the wire thickness. One more experiment. Now I made 3 meters of the thin wire. Everything okay? Everything okay? It's not the best way to do an experiment like this. Made a bit of a mess of it. Okay. Turning it on. As you can see here, now it's lower, 25. So it's 250 milliamps. Battery is charging. Neon is off. So I'm now taking more of this charge. What's happening here? This is a bit not very professional, and I'm in a hurry. I don't have much time anymore to do these experiments. Look, this is a much nicer signal. It's more H wave. So now I'm using less energy, and it's charging way better. You can see that all the energy is going in the battery now. So I didn't twist it, I just put it around. Now what happens if I pull off the core, pull out, see the charging battery is going down, put it back, it's going up right away, and then the current is going down, just the other way around. So you definitely need this core. What happens if I pull it out? Frequency goes up very much. Putting it down. I have an extra pulse as well. Putting it down. And I see I have this extra pulse. If I really put it down in there, I only have one H wave. Interesting. So how can I improve this to go even further?